Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Android Auto not working on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open settings and in the search bar, just search Android Auto. Now just tap on Android Auto, then go to Android Auto. Now on this page, just tap on Start Android Auto automatically. Now instead of if used on the last drive, just select Always or Default. Now, if it is on always, just select default and check if it fixes your issue. Or if it is on default, just select always and check if this fixes your issue. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back, then go to apps. And in the search bar, just search Android Auto. Tap on Android Auto, then tap on permissions. And from here, just make sure you give Android Auto all the necessary permissions. After that, just go back and tap on Force Stop. Select OK, then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Control Center, then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix Android Auto not working on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.